Gonna sneak up and see what those birds are doing. Look at the underwear all over the floor. Where's Diggerbird? Oh, there. Did you do that? Did you? There's Teddy. There's Teddy. What? Oh. Who threw all these here? Who threw all my underwear? Did you do that? Jeeper, did she do that? She did. Get that. Whoops. Oh! Oh boy! Oh! There's a green one. Oh, there's a purple one. Oh, that's your favorite. Yeah. Okay, we got all the underwear back in the drawer. Okay, there we go. It's all back in there. Oh, there's Peeps. There's Peeps. You got Peeps. Okay. Get up, Kissy. Oh, gosh. Yeah, it's a girl. Okay. What do you say? We're having pizza tonight. Yeah. What do you think? Yeah? No waving? Well. What does Jeeper say? Pizza? Pizza. Pizza. Oh, I got your tail. Oh, okay, sorry.